saw it fit this morning to have the town clean, repainted in anticipation of the vending for the Christmas period. Today we have a few agencies and departments that are on board. The NSWM is here, carting away all the white goods. The fire service is here helping us to sanitize and wash the town. The members of the municipal corporation, the police. So it's a multi-faceted approach that we are taking.
I'm overwhelmed about it because it's the first I'm actually seeing it in Port Maria, here in St. Mary. And when I was approaching the scene, I thought it was an accident and they were cleaning off the road. When I got to understand that they're really cleaning off the road today, it's really good.
If a rain and if a debris come down from other places, they are about in the town and the town messy. Sometimes when the time dry, paid dust, you have to cover your face more time, you have a kerchief and all them things. This man say. So, well done, man. Well, if I respect me.
For the most part, persons are welcoming of this initiative. They are appreciative of it, and persons are saying that it's the first time this has ever happened, other than when we have a flooding and the mud takes over the town. So it is something that we want to do maybe on a quarterly basis, where the town is sanitized and clean, so that it goes well for the business community or visitors entering our parish from overseas and other parishes. So, you know, we're looking, it's a good field so far. The response have been well and accepted, especially from the business people.